Hey guys, in this video I just want to quickly show you how you can SSH your iPhone 4S so you can browse its files over Wi-Fi on your computer. So that's what I'm going to show you today pretty quick. Here a Windows tutorial. It's going to be a very quick one. So what you need to do first of all is to download this program called WinSCP, okay? I will have it in the link in the description. And basically what you will do here is you are gonna click here on a new one, a new session. As you can see here, you have different kinds of sessions. You can just click up here a new. So the first time you do this, you just click on there, and first off, this one, the first one up here, that's going to be your IP address that you have when you are connected to your home network. So just go ahead and go to settings. Now just go ahead and tap on Wi-Fi, and then to your home here, just tap here on the side. As you can see, my IP is 192.168.0.106, but that's just obviously my internal IP address. So yeah, but that IP address, you want to type that one up here. So you would type it like 192 dots, let's see 168.0 dot whatever it now was, let's see, dot 106. You don't have to care that much about the ports, I think, and then also the username is always going to be like root, or that's the default, and also the default password is Alpine. So Alpine is being spelled like that, Alpine. So just go ahead and put that in the password, Alpine. And then also you don't have to change anything here. Just go ahead and save this. I would recommend it to save it as, so you do remember it, or save it as your iPhone or your iPod or whatever now you are using. I'm just gonna save it as an iPhone 4S 2, just because I've already done one of these. But okay, so as you can see, I have two over here. I'm just gonna pick that one that we did right now. You can also hover over here to see some stuff. Now make sure that you are connected over here. Make sure you're connected to your home network, that you have that IP and everything, that everything's cool to go. That also, like, when you go ahead and check out the internet, it is working. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, my internet's working, I have a connection and everything. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and go over here. Let's go ahead and tap on sign in. Now it will try to make a connection to your kind of device. As you can see, it did work this time. Also, you can have, so it saves your password over here, so you don't have to type it in all the time. But Alpine is the password, of course, the default password. It will start to do some stuff, and okay, there we go. So we have it up and running right now. So basically now over Wi-Fi you will have like full access of all of the files and everything. You can browse my iPhone 4 here. As you can see, I'm in the folder private/var.root, so I'm not, we need to go back to go to that file. I made a video on how you can have custom Siri response with the Twig Siri Assistant, and I made a video about that, but didn't show you how you can SSH, but I'm showing that right now. But you need to go back full, completely over here. And okay, now we are back into like complete root. Now you want to go to library. So tap on library. I'm just going to load that up. And it could take a little while if you have a bad connection. And then you need to go into assistant extensions if you want to do that Cydia tweak thingy with the custom Siri response. Now you want to go ahead and go to that AIML file, or folder I should say. This is where you can customize a Siri response when you are in Let's Chat mode. So as you can see, we have a ton of different files for default responses, and the important thing here is that you always need to have the extension .AIML. Yeah, so make sure that you have that, and then what you can go ahead and do over here is, let's say, if we make it large, You can just go ahead and go here to the bottom, just right click and go to make a new file, make it like custom blah blah blah, and in this description I will have the information about what you need to write to make a kind of cool default response. But I've already made a pre-default thingy here. Let's see here. Yeah, there we have custom response.iml. If you go ahead and edit this one, it's gonna download it. So this is what I have in the description of this video. So you just copy and paste this in a new file that have that extension, and then you can make your own custom response here in the pattern, and then the template is what Siri will respond with. But yeah, I will already show you that in another video, but okay, let's just show it again, that it clearly does work. And of course, as I said, you need to save the file and everything, and also you can just make a file on your desktop and drag and drop it to your place where you SSH, but it needs to be in that folder. Okay, make sure that you're in that folder, and then you need to go into Let's Chat mode on this Cydia Tweak extension, Siri Assistant, or no, Assistant extensions. Yeah, I think that was the name.
Yes?
Let's chat. And this could take some time. That's the negative thing about this week. It seems like it takes a little while before it will go into this file and look up all the files, because it is a couple of megabytes.
Sorry, I don't understand. This chat.
Oh.
Yes?
Let's chat. Okay, so it seems like obviously I have a poor connection over here. That's why it doesn't work right now, and that kind of sucks. But I will already show you in another video that it clearly does work, and it's better, if you have a good connection. But yeah, that's basically how you go ahead and do it. So yeah, see you.